Now, in the modern days, the user experience has changed a bit. So instead of asking first name like this, if you see, some text box will just have the first name here without this. I'll just show you as an example. So there's something called a placeholder. Now in placeholder, I could write enter your first name here. Now what it does is it just shows a grayed out version of this text. Now you might not even need this. You could just do the same thing here, the entire contact form. So all you do is you could do this. So once you enter your name, this is removed. The text, the placeholder that you had in place, that gets removed.